Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Teams app for Power Automate workflows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Microsoft Teams app for Power Automate workflows, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to access the available applications. In the search bar, type Power Automate. Select the Power Automate app from the search results. Click on the Add to Teams button. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm the installation. Click on the Install button to proceed. After the installation, return to the left sidebar and select Teams. Choose the team where you want to add the Power Automate app. Click on the three dots next to the team name to reveal more options. Select Manage Team from the drop-down menu. In the Apps tab, look for the newly installed Power Automate app. Click on Setup to begin configuring the app for your workflows. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the app to your desired workflows. Once configured, the Power Automate app will be ready for use within Microsoft Teams. You can now create branches or trigger workflows directly from within the Teams interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.